Let me ask you one question. When someone says thank you to you, how do you respond? Most often, people respond by saying, "You are welcome, you are most welcome, you are so welcome." Now, these are good answers, but won't it be interesting if we knew other ways of responding to thank you? This would make our conversation so very colorful and interesting. And people in different situations, we will use different phrases to reply to thank you. That will be really very interesting, isn't it? In this particular video, I'm going to share with you 7 interesting ways that you can reply when someone says thank you. So, what are you waiting for? Pick up your notebook and pen and let's get started this very instant. So let's look at the first one. Whenever someone says thank you to you, you can reply by saying my pleasure or it's my pleasure. But remember one thing, when you say my pleasure or it's my pleasure, do really mean that you enjoyed helping that person. In your mind, don't think what nonsense this guy has given me work and I don't like doing this work, but I still have to do it. And then when he is telling thank you, you say my pleasure. Don't do that. Make it genuine. So when you use this phrase, my pleasure or it's my pleasure, do mean it. Do feel that pleasure that yes, you have enjoyed helping that person. So next time when someone says thank you to you, you can reply by saying my pleasure or it's my pleasure. Let's take a situation. Suppose someone asks you for a small help, like can you please pass me that salt, or can you please pass me that book, or can I borrow your pen? So, and you give that pen or salt or book or whatever it is, and he or she says thank you to you, then what you can say here is that no problem. So here means it was not a big deal, it was like just borrowing your pen or you're asking you to pass that salt or thing, small thing. So here you can say no problem. Now this one is for someone who is close to you. Suppose you help that person and he or she tells you thank you, then what you can say here is anytime, which means that when you say anytime, which means that you are happy to help that person again. Means you are willing to help that person can ask you for help again. So here when you say anytime, which means that you are telling that person, okay, you're like close friend of mine and I don't mind helping you again and again. So when your close friend or your someone who is close to you asks you for a favor and you help that person and that person says thank you to you, then you can reply as anytime. Let's look at the next one. Suppose someone asks you for help and that particular task that you were supposed to do was very simple. Means you didn't find it very difficult. And then after completing the task, the person tells you thank you. Then what you can say here is that, oh, it was nothing. Which means that it was very quick, means for you it was very easy. You did not have to think a lot, or you did not have to use your brain a lot, or maybe your muscular power a lot. So you can say, oh, it was nothing. So when you help someone and it was very easy for you, and then that person says you thank you, you can reply, oh, it was nothing. Let us look at a professional situation. Suppose your classmate or your colleague at office or your boss or someone in the professional setup had asked you to do something as a favor and you helped that person and that person says thank you to you, then what should you say? You can say, I am happy to help. Means you feel delighted in helping in that particular situation. You are a team player and you always love to help others in their task. So when someone in this professional setup, maybe when they ask you to for your help and you help them and they say thank you to you, then what you can say is, I am happy to help. I am happy to help. Another phrase that you can use when someone says thank you to you is, don't mention it. You can use this phrase when the kind of work that you did to help that person was very simple for you. It came very easy to you. It was like a cakewalk. You did it by the way. So you don't think much of it. So it was like you could do it in seconds. So and that person says thank you to you and you say don't mention it. Don't mention it. Now this one is for some special person, someone very close to your heart, and you very much like that person, or you are like too close to each other, and that you help that person and that person says thank you. Then what you can say to that person is anything for you. Anything for you, which means that you can go out of the way to help that person. This shows that you really care about that person. So when this kind of person tells you thank you, you know what you have to reply? Anything for you. That were 7 interesting ways in which you could reply when someone says thank you to you. Do practice these phrases in your day-to-day conversation and see your conversation become interesting and colorful. Do let me know in the comments when you practice this, what happened, what you felt, and how you felt using these phrases in your sentences. If you find something else also that we can use when someone says thank you to us, please put that in comment section and we all will learn from that particular phrase. Thank you for watching this video. I will catch you in the next video with yet another interesting thing about English conversation and how to speak awesome English and how to make your English conversation colorful. Till then, keep practicing.